Ah, the ninja. Why is it called the ninja? That's simple. I don't know. But what I do know is that you don't need to be a ninja to sneak up on somebody using one. First, chop your cilantro stems. Knife job. Next, add your stems to your blender. Ninja. Here comes 1 bottle of Tequileño Blanco tequila. Fasten the top of your blender. Mustn't forget that. Caution. Using a blender to infuse spirits should be a last resort. When blending, think bruising. Volatiles such as oils will be lost and texture will soften. Proceed at your own risk. Blend for 5 to 10 seconds. It's almost ready. Strain through a fine strainer, nut milk bag, or both. The more you strain, the clearer it will be. Strain into any bottle. We insist on the leak-proof screw-bottom bottles by Crew Supply Company. Keep it crew. And that's cilantro infused Blanco tequila. Enjoy responsibly.
Baby, you're a mystery. Do you wanna grab a drink with me? I'll even let you sit for free. Maybe leave a like for me. Maybe